What's up? With episode 3, Edge Royals here with another Minecraft. Okay, so I died, so I could get my hearts and hunger back. I came back here. We're moving out today. Oh! Put access tools. Yeah, I made too many tools. They're kind of useless. Shovel. You'll need that. My head. I'm gonna go for those diamonds first. From episode 2. Let's do this. Do I have any food? I'm gonna get some food first. Oh, I got lag. Lag. Oh, why is it so laggy? Why'd I do that? Oh, well. Hold up. I'm just gonna turn this off because lag is getting annoying. Wasn't that supposed to be a cave? Yeah. It's even more laggy. Yes, not that. Oh, come on, I had to nighttime. But when we come up, it's gonna be day. So, who cares? So, let's go. I hope nobody found those diamonds, because this is multiplayer. Oh, bro. Boom. Hope this lag doesn't get me lava. Do I have any torches? Let's make some. Oh, scared me. Okay. Oh, I'm hitting it with a stick. No wonder why. Oh, I hate that too. Oh, okay. Skeleton. Follow me. Oh, creepers everywhere. Let's try to follow the path I followed last time. Okay, so here. Stop, I'm gonna die again. No! Stop! Die. No one. No one go near me. Wow, I got effect. What the heck? Oh yeah, I installed TMI. This is awesome. Ooh. Wanna see my favorites? Look at all those effects. This is hilarious. Use this for killing, and this goes on forever. 10 minutes. I remember that scene. We came here. And the diamonds. Where are you? Oh, right there. No. No creeper. Oh! Where are you, bro? What the heck? Yo, why are you shooting so fast? Stop! Stop it! Yeah. Nope. We ain't going anywhere. No. You're not gonna follow me. He's still shooting me. This is stupid. Stop! Ugh. Don't shoot me. Oh, wow. Where are you? Stop making sounds. Okay, so let's make a bucket. Lag. I hate this lag. Dang. The biggest water source ever. Oh, that's so loud. I hear an Enderman too. But I'm done. This is not fair. No, do that. You scared me. Don't you ever do that again. Good, you died down. And where are you right there? Now we're safe, kinda. Yeah. No. Okay. I need to start commentating. I haven't said a lot yet. So 2 diamonds so far visible. Just those 2? Really? You're gonna be trolling me like that? Just 2? Give me 3, come on. Give me 3. No? Oh, it's still up there. Catch it. Okay, we might not move out this episode. I'm not sure. I'm watching the NBA Finals. Go Spurs. Go Heat. Whatever. I'm not picking sides because they're actually both pretty good. More exploring. Oh, first time I saw a spider in a while. See, iron ore 58. Once I hit 60, I'm done. No, I need that. That's food. That is useful food. Butter. Oh yeah, I won't say gold. It's butter, because this guy is awesome. He's hilarious. Especially all his minigame stuff. I just saw a diamond somewhere. It just flashed in my sight. I just saw it. What's that? What is that? Let's go. No. No. Water. Stop. Oh my god. Oh, no. No, no, no. Get away from me. No. You scared me. He just popped out of nowhere. No one's popping out of nowhere. Dang. No. Oh. What? No. No. There. How is it? I was about to say, how's that water still going? Okay, so I'm like half watching the game, half not. And Miami is in the lead with 3 minutes left. Oh my gosh. Championship game. What's up, Creeper? Fall into lava. Come here. Come here. Come here, Creeper. Exactly. Yeah, that over there. Go. You're, ooh. You died quick. No. No. No one's ever gonna get me. No, 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 no. Did he die? Nope, he didn't. Who's dying? Wow, I just heard the commentary steal a line from Eminem. No, 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 stop, 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 no, I'll bring your friend, no, 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 I'll bring... Oh, no, I want that skull head so badly. No, 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 I'll do it. I want that skull head so bad. Please. Beep, beep, beep. Butter, more butter. What level am I? I see some cobblestone, I see some action. 18, no wonder why I'm not finding anything. Fall down, come on, hurt yourself. Nice job. I was already here. Yep, I was already here. I'm going in circles. This is bad. This is bad. Stop. We just want to circle a huge circle. No. I'm so mad. I hope I find more diamonds. Please, 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 please. Did I just put 2 torches? Oh well. What up? No! Yeah, blow up, come on. Bro, what you gotta do? What you gotta do? What you gotta do? Oh! 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 I'm OG pro. Oh, lag! It's my hidey hole. Just kidding. No, it's not. I really like this texture pack. And if you want the texture pack, the link is in the first episode description. And let's go. I see a skeleton. I see a skeleton. Yeah, I'm holding your brother's head. Come on, let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go! Oh, this sucks because I'm in water. This sucks being in water. I have 4 heart luck. I'm done. Ha ha. You can't escape because you're dumb. Haha. Not gonna stop that water. You know why? Because 58. Come on. 6 more. Enough for a stack. Oh, dang. I'm hearing some action on the TV. Who do you think will win? Post in the comments. Whoa, what the heck? That is the weirdest physics in Minecraft ever. Nothing here. I'm gonna go mine that butter. Yeah, lag. Oh, that butter is a long way from here. I forgot. Food dilemma again. Bring it. Oh, no, stop. Get away from me. Can you still reach me from here? Can you get me from here? Hey, what's up, bro? Shoot me. Oh my. Oh, dang. Oh, God. Oh, my bad. My mic just fell down. Not my milk. Oh, I'm watching the game. Oh. 2 minutes. Don't. I'm gonna go straight up. Oh, God. Gravel. Trolling at its finest. Back at the start. Right back. Yep. I remember that. There's that creeper I just saw like 2 seconds ago. I hear the Enderman. I'm not scared because I'm not gonna look. And it's what if he like just goes in my face? You didn't find anything. Yo, kid, no. Oh, God. Why do you have hair still? This lag is killing me. Food. I need food. Why should be like a skeleton that pops out? Oh my God. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. I can't sprint. I can't sprint. No, run, run, run. No, not near lava. Please, no, please, no, please. No, no, no. No, no, no. I'm so scared right now. If there's a creeper up there, I will punch myself in the face. I keep hearing the TV. Let's go heat. Let's go heat. Where can we go? Let's just go on that tiny island. Let's go. Oh my gosh, 1 minute left. I'm watching. I'm just gonna hide in this little grass shape that looks like a dragon. Rawr. No, that does not look like a dragon. Why does it have a soul sand? break it. Oh god. Oh, this was the shortest episode ever. The most boring episode that you'll ever watch. Oh, I'm so mad this was a bad episode. Let's see if I can find any squids. Squid! Squid! Come here! No! Squid spawn. No. When I turn around, you should be there. Oh. Yeah, this should be my island. Oh, it's not actually boring after all. I could just call this Edge's Island. Oh. Something's gonna kill me. My nigga. I really hope nothing's down there. No, oh, I don't know. What? What? There's my bed. I have 2 beds. Aw. What a glitch. Can't sleep in it? Aww. What a way to end the episode. Well, see ya.